You can never budget enough. Over budget if that's possible.
We wanted new construction and we were kind of looking in our price range, which eventually grew and grew and grew.
The budget was spot on. We were way below what we, I guess, anticipated needing.
So you want to buy a house, how are you going to afford it? What's the next step? Get your ducks in a row up front so that you set yourself up for a successful home buying experience by sitting down with a mortgage professional to determine your buying power. Now, what does that mean? Well, how much can you afford? There is a big disparity sometimes between what you believe you can afford and what a lender will actually give you to purchase a house.
We just had a plan that we saved a certain amount every month that just automatically went into a savings account. We didn't even see it.
When we got married 4 years ago, we decided we're gonna have a joint savings fund and there's gonna be money that goes in and you don't take money out of it.
I was trying to save half of my salary. I started living like, goodness, ramen's delicious. No, I'm just kidding.
Here's a few tips when you're trying to save for a down payment for your house. Number one, if that money is allocated strictly to your down payment, put it in something that's safe and secure, not a risky investment. That's not time to play with your money. Number two, tighten the belt buckle and those purse strings just a little bit. If you're used to going out to dinner 3 to 4 times a week, maybe reel it back to 1 time a week and take that same amount of money, put it in your house down payment account.
Think about what you can live without. How can I live smaller to live bigger in the future? Just remember that that's the goal.
Mortgages is something that I wish I knew a little bit more about before I even had an itch.
I didn't even realize there were this many types of mortgages you could even get. We thought there was one mortgage and that's what you got and that was it.
Reverse mortgage, conventional, variable, ARM mortgages, lions and tigers and bears. Oh my, which one do you choose?
So you really got to think about, how old am I? How long do I want to do this? When would I love to sell this? Is this my house for life? Is this my house during the school years? All these questions about how you live and the quality of life are integral to finding the right mortgage for you.
Every time I hear the word escrow, all I could think of is like escarole and beans.
I've heard of escrow. It's delicious. No.
I don't think I still know what escrow is.
Okay, that's when you put money down and it means you kind of have it, but you don't really.
When you decide on purchasing a house, you'll have to write a deposit check or an earnest money check. That is held in escrow, meaning you can't touch it, the seller can't touch it. It's there to secure the purchase until closing. At closing, they release that money from escrow to go towards your down payment. So you do get it back. That money does not disappear.